Okay, these people welcome again to
Welcome.
the
What is it?
To our channel lah. Wih.
okay to our channel,
The
and
channel.
today we have section.
Yes.
What kind of section
is
is it?
about what is it?
What is that?
Fun fact of language.
Oh, fun
Language fun
Okay,
fact.
yeah.
Fun fact.
Let's say it's fun,
Yeah, you can say it's fun even
Let's
though
call
it's
it
not.
Oh yeah,
even though it's dizzy.
usually when there's new people in here, we must introduce them.
Oh, of course,
Yeah,
of
okay,
course.
please.
Okay, please introduce yourself, sir.
Come on.
Okay, hi everyone. So my name is Fanny, and I used to be a teacher here.
Yeah,
In the
used to
East.
be
Tutor
part
ya.
of
Used to be tutor.
Still actually part of this family.
Yay.
Oh my god.
So, Mr. Funny, bring a special topics today, please.
Okay, so actually I just graduated from my master's degree taking linguistics. So
cool.
I was, I am interested in talking about how children acquire language.
Translanguaging is it? Oh
No, it's not.
Acquiring.
Acquiring.
Acquiring language. I know.
Acquiring
Oh,
itu
children,
mendapatkan.
Ya, children. Gitu.
Bahasa
Do we
Indonesia
have
itu
to
gimana ya?
speak-
Bahasa
oh.
Indonesia itu gimana ya?
Bagaimana anak mendapatkan bahasa?
Anak memperoleh
Memperoleh.
kemampuan
bahasa.
berbahasa gitu intinya. Ya.
Gimana sih anak kecil itu pertama kali bisa ngomong,
Ya,
bisa
betul,
berbahasa?
berbahasa.
Yes. Itulah gampangnya ya.
Ini maybe this is going to be like a bit theoretical, but I'll try my best to make it like
Light.
fun.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
make it
just-
fun
Make it fun, please.
using baby language.
Baby
Lisa.
language. Okay. Tapi mungkin ini conversation aja kali ya.
Iya, ngobrol aja.
So
Chill.
so actually there are two big theories
Hmm.
that explain about how children
Ada
or
dua teori.
infants
Iya.
acquire language.
Okay. So what's up with that?
First one is Chomsky,
Chomsky.
and then another one is from I think Michael Tomasello gitu. Ini tuh sebenarnya debatnya tentang nature versus nurture.
Oh.
It's kind of interesting. Nature,
Nature
versus
versus
nurture.
Nih, menurut
Kalau
Jadi ada
nature-
dua cara nih, ada dua teori ya. Gimana cara anak kecil bisa berbahasa?
Yes.
Yang satu ada yang versi nurture itu, what is nurture?
Alami gitu kan ya.
No, nurture
nature.
is
Nature
nature is
alami.
alami.
Nature alami
Nurture
ya.
is sintetik buatan.
Nurture itu
Nurture
kayak
tuh di-
dilatih.
dilatih
Iya.
kayak gitu.
Bukan dilatih, kayak
Gimana?
burung tuh di nurture tuh.
Hmm.
Burung
Ya dilatih mas.
enggak beda.
Oh beda.
Terus itu kayak disuapin lagi gitu. Iya nggak sih?
Hmm.
Hitungannya kayak dikasih makan lah kayak burung. Misalkan anak burung
Feeding,
tuh di
feeding.
nurture sama mother birdnya gitu. Itu di nurture namanya.
It's like
bro.
facilitated like that maybe.
Ya, atau
Facilitated.
bisa dibilang kayak nature itu kayak bawaan, sementara nurture itu
Dilatih.
kayak ya bukan dilatih secara
Cara ini ya.
conscious, dilatih secara
Iya.
sengaja gitu.
Iya, tapi emang
Tapi nggak bawaan gitu.
Iya,
Jadi
iya,
harus
jadi
Dibiasakan.
Iya.
dibiasakan gitu untuk bisa dapat ngomong atau berkomunikasi gitu.
Iya,
Ada dua teori itu ya.
Iya.
Yang nurture itu
nature
punya
versus
siapa?
Nurture gitu. Mungkin sebelum ke situ, menurut kalian gimana? Menurut anak-anak tuh apa?
Is it nature or nurture?
Iya.
Kita tim mana gitu ya?
bisa ngomong sampai bisa ngomong, dia bisa
Tim mana nih? Tim
Ah,
nature
iya,
apa tim nature?
Iya, you tim nurture apa nurture?
Gue
Gua
nature.
pikir dulu.
Me,
Gue nature.
Nurture.
I'm nature lah.
I'm nurture.
nature.
Nature.
Terus
For me nurture.
nurture.
Nurture, not nature.
Nature ya kalau gua.
Nurture sih.
Nurture.
Nature man.
Tapi
Kalau
kalau secara physically dia nggak bisa, secara nature-nya dia nggak punya ability untuk speak.
It's different case.
Beda man.
It's different case. It's different case.
Itu disebut.
Kalau normal aja.
Iya,
gitu
kayak
ya.
normal.
We
Tapi tadi-
don't bring
Nggak
disability.
Tapi kalau tadi it means still nature. Bro. We will talk just like when people talk or something like that, or we listen something, we will also the brain will be processed, right? And after all that, we will try to produce the same thing, even though we don't know what does that mean. Remember?
Nature sih.
Nature.
Nature kalau kata
Nature.
But in my opinion, sometimes it will be nurture because the parents usually makes the children to repeat what they say. Okay, coba papa repeat papa mama. So in my opinion, it's not fully nature but more to nurture. In my opinion, that's the thing.
Oke, sebenarnya mau nurture atau nature itu sebenarnya di ada teorinya gitu ya.
Oke.
Mendorong itu semua gitu. Kalau yang nature itu didukung oleh Chomsky namanya.
Noam Chomsky.
Noam Chomsky itu linguis
Linguistic.
sekaligus aktivis.
Oh yes, he's also activist.
Iya, yang bela Palestina itu.
Oh, I just know that. It's new fact, guys.
And he's a Jew.
Damn it.
Hmm.
Oke, continue.
Anyway,
Apa dia bilang?
dia bilang enggak, dia tuh come up dengan satu ide kalau manusia tuh lahir dengan ada satu device khusus di mental kita gitu, bukan fisik ya tapi mental
Iya.
gitu di otak kita yang namanya itu language acquisition device atau LAD. Nah, lewat device itu yang khusus device itu khusus untuk pemerolehan bahasa gitu.
Ya,
Oke.
ya.
Jadi kayak lewat device itu manusia gitu atau anak-anak itu bisa belajar bahasa gitu. Jadi bukan device lain, dia ada device atau spesifik khusus gitu tentang bahasa.
It's like the part of the brain that processing or acquiring the language itself.
Ya, tapi unfortunately,
Yeah.
Chomsky didn't say that this is physical, jadi nggak bisa diobserve kalau di bedah otaknya tuh nggak ada tuh device.
Nggak ada di bagian di bagian mananya gitu.
Iya,
Nggak mungkin
ada.
tiba-tiba ada chip gitu di dalam kan nggak mungkin ya. There's no
Iya, itu
the
nggak ada
possible
tuh.
way ya gitu ya.
Nggak ada tuh. Itu tuh lebih ke mental gitu. Jadi ada area atau apa gitu. Nah, itu ada Chomsky gitu, yang bilang gitu LAD. Terus
other hands?
ada juga satu teori atau dari Tomasello itu timnya Tomasello yang bilang kalau nggak bisa kayaknya tuh manusia tuh bisa memperoleh bahasa itu because they learn it from surroundings, from their parents, from adults gitu. Nama teorinya tuh usage based approach atau usage based theory. Usage based theory.
Oh, gitu.
Nah, si teori ini atau Tomasello dan timnya itu bilang kalau sebetulnya bukan ada device khusus di dalam tubuh kita gitu. Tapi manusia tuh untuk belajar sesuatu tuh ada, untuk belajar bahasa terutama gitu ada dua kemampuan sebetulnya. Pertama intention reading, sama yang kedua itu pattern finding.
Can you
Intention apa?
Intention
reading
dan sama pattern finding.
Reading dulu baca.
Reading tuh lebih intention reading tuh membaca, bukan membaca A, B, C gitu ya.
Oh.
Tapi membaca intensi,
Intensi.
atau maksud.
It's
Oh,
like
I
observing
see.
ya. Maybe observing will be good ya for the
In terms of communication-nya.
Ya,
gitu.
jadi children itu observe sebetulnya gitu. Dia bisa ngomong sampai bisa ngomong sama bapak, terus misal ngomong apa sampai ini kue misalkan
Iya.
itu dia tuh kan observe karena dua kemampuan itu dia bisa pattern jadi
Pattern
basically
reading.
manusia tuh pattern finding.
Oh, finding ya.
Iya, pattern finding gitu. Jadi kayak dengan mengamati pola-pola yang ada gitu. Bagaimana bahasa-bahasa digunakan oleh orang dewasa gitu misalkan.
Lama-lama dia
Iya,
nangkap.
iya. Misalkan orang dewasa bilang jangan lanjut.
Iya.
So they will replicate it. Jangan lanjut like that.
Stop.
Ya,
Gitu kan.
damn
Bilang,
it, ini agak gimana ya? Aduh.
misal nih. Anak-anak tuh mendengar tuturan seperti ini misalkan ya. So don't stop gitu atau don't stop don't eat. Don't stop, don't eat. Terus don't apa lagi gitu lah. Nah, mereka dengan memperhatikan atau melihat pattern itu, jadi mereka paham, oh ya setelah don't itu diikuti dengan verb atau kata kerja.
Oh.
Tapi mereka nggak paham itu verb itu.
Ah.
Mereka paham, mereka paham. Oke,
Intentionnya paham.
don't nggak bisa tuh di follow dengan adjective misalkan. Don't
Don't beautiful. It's not
don't
good, right?
beautiful enggak.
It's not correct for them
Yeah.
ya. To read the pattern because
Iya
of the
betul,
pattern.
karena patternnya gitu kan.
Iya,
benar.
the observer.
Jadi mereka observe pattern finding gitu. Tuh terus kayak satunya intention reading gitu. Bisa tahu oh ya tuturan ini atau
Sudah
ujaran
sini.
ini tuh dipakai buat apa itu melihat pattern dengan maksudnya gitu. Kayak misalkan don't eat gitu. Diulang-ulang tuh sama patternnya don't eat this, don't eat this. Oke, don't eat itu artinya jangan menyentuh atau jangan memasukkan ini ke mulut gitu.
Oh.
Ya.
Jadi intention reading. So itu tim Tomasello, usage based approach gitu. Yang lebih ke nurture.
Okay. Tomasello is nurture guys. Yes.
Gitu. Menurut kalian lebih make sense yang mana?
Nurture for me.
Nature
When
yang
I
kayak
say
tadi
before.
kata tim Tomasello atau nature atau mungkin
Both of them make sense.
Make
man.
sense.
Because
How is it make
in
sense? How does
early apa human form, how they communicate with each other, how they hunt together if they are not communication with it, right? This is no apa namanya? Probably there is no clear word in or language that kind of used at that time, right? Probably, right? So that's why probably they're using something like
Signs.
sign or sound, which is that kind of ini ya, naturally being ini, it's like you said,
Being heard like that.
being heard, and then something like that. And that device,
Activate.
I don't know, process
Process
it,
it. Yeah.
and then we do it. That's the thing, right? But that thing also makes sense with the usage thing.
Yeah.
Because it been used for something. So misalkan kalau dia nah terus nyerang misalnya itu ya di sini oh nyerang tuh berarti di situ. Kalau enggak ada yang nyerang duluan, oh kalau dia bilang berarti nyerang, ini kita ikutan. Itu
Tapi itu
belajar kan?
pattern finding jadi.
It's pattern finding. That's
Iya,
what I
makanya dulu tadi
Make
kayaknya
sense tuh.
makanya kan bilang dua-duanya make sense bro. Both of them make sense karena di bayangkan tadi kita sedang di yang tadi yang kita bilang probably yang di zaman sebelum ada bahasa atau we use something gitu ya, yang masih orang masih nulis apa bukan nulis ngelukis di goa gitu kan,
Iya.
yang we probably don't know what they use for ini for talking or something like that kan, yang soal tadi yang pakai device yang you say tadi, yang nature ya, kontrol nature itu
Nurture,
nature man,
Yang device kan?
device,
Nature.
device.
Oh, device. Oh, my bad.
Bawaan.
Sorry.
Device, nature dulu.
Oh, you
After that, when gini, language is a rule bro, actually. For me, yeah. Language is a rule. When you say this thing is wrong, yeah, you wrong gitu tuh. You must find the right one. So that's why it's kind of must be nurture ya. Habis itu ya, gitu. Itu lu berarti ada guideline ya berarti kan.
Yeah,
Berarti lu harus ini dong. Berarti harus tadi apa quote nurture kan tadi dilatih dan di ini kan.
Benar.
Nah, makanya mungkin nurture itu ada ketika when it start to there is a language that probably start from the yang tadi orang-orang tadi yang mulai pakai nature develop jadi orangnya pakai nurture probably.
Actually, I would like to give some my opinion. Actually, the nature, yes, it's some of part is a make sense, but in my opinion, according to Mas Fani, he said that the usage device was it usage I forgot.
Language
acquisition device.
Yeah, no, the nurture one.
Oh,
the
usage based approach.
Usage based approach is more logically because why? They consist two things. First thing is intention reading or reading intention. I forget. And the second is pattern finding. If we are talk about language, sign language is part of the language. So if you say that, actually start from signing. Yes, so actually language is from nurturing. For example, we cannot speak to each other due to language barrier. For example, I'm from America, you are from Africa, you are from Turkey, and you are from Indonesia. We don't know, or we don't understand each other. We can nurture it by using language. From
Minum.
this. So,
Minum,
yes.
minum.
Oh, yes.
Drinking.
Drink. Yes, drink.
Drink.
It will be like that. So it will be make more logically sense if we say that language comes from nurture. So the infant or the children acquire language from the nurture because of they first thing reading the intention of their parents of their surroundings, right? And the second things they read the pattern, find the pattern. Oh, so if you wanna say no, we use what is that? We shake our head. Okay. Oh, beside this, we shake our head. We can say don't or no. Okay. So that is thing. So that's why I'm still in the side of the nurturing by what is that? Michael Tomasello. And I respect Noam Chomsky, but yes, he is correct for a bit. I mean, he's good. His theoretical is good. But for today, for in this case, I'm in the side of the really in the Tomasello things, like that things. In my opinion.
Yes. Okay, how about you?
Yeah.
How about you?
How about me?
How about me?
Gitu lah.
You first lah.
In my experience, kayaknya nurture.
Nurture.
Because
Why?
my son
Okay, real example.
It is
from the one who doesn't know what is language is. Yeah, he only knows how my parents giving me a sign and then or the pattern like this. Gitu.
So for you,
I'm finding pattern itu apa tadi?
nurture is nurture. Okay, how about you?
Besides that,
Okay,
how
okay.
come people can find the pattern if in this head
There is
doesn't
no
have a device?
Nah, the device. the inability
Is
of
there any connection
processing.
between the device and the finding pattern?
Actually, as far as I know, yeah, the second theory, which is usage-based approach, is, if I'm not mistaken, it's a response to the first theory because
See, right?
because they are not satisfied with Chomsky
Oh, I see.
about LAD itu.
Ready, yeah.
So they come up with a different idea, yeah,
Hmm.
maybe opposing, yeah.
It's
Actually,
artificial.
actually
Yeah, because how come people can connect something without
processing.
processing?
No, the problem is like, I mean, linguists, or I think linguists are not sure whether such a device exists,
Mm-mm.
and how do we know with that thing gitu, and how do we test it,
Okay.
gitu kan? Maybe maybe we were not, or we are not born with that,
Mhm.
but instead we have like ability, bawaannya tuh bukan LAD-nya, tapi bawaannya tuh kemampuan pattern finding itu
Iya.
dan intention reading gitu. So
Kalau
with
emang
that
device
ability,
itu,
ya,
iya.
with that ability we can learn a lot of things, not just language gitu
Iya.
kan.
Yes.
Kayak misalkan apa gitu,
Mathematics is
kemampuan.
also pattern. You know.
Math,
Yes.
right?
Math is also pattern. Finding something.
Finding
using
problems on the formula.
Formula is pattern.
Yeah, riding bicycle termasuk ini kayak
Pattern.
Of course, because the pattern is, we need to go to the bicycle first, then we step for a while, and then we, kick the pedal. It's a pattern too. So everything is about pattern. We speak, we sleep, even we sleep pattern loh. The first thing we must take off our
But
clothes like that.
maybe last week or yesterday I heard about something when people do it. What is it?
Every day.
Again and again
Repetitive,
and become
rapidly.
repetitive and become expert. They don't use brain anymore to do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Maybe like football player.
Just
Yeah.
like
Muscle
just
memory.
enjoying
It's a muscle memory. It's a muscle
That's called
memory.
a muscle
Muscle
memory.
memory.
when we speak, we don't need a pattern actually.
Yeah.
We don't need grammar.
Maybe because
it's already installed
Yeah.
in
Just
our
like
brain.
our
just
mind.
like I ever said, grammar and vocabulary is always like being two things that people always concerned about. For me, the thing I always say about this, vocabulary is like a bullet. Grammar is a gun. Yeah. You can imagine, you have a good gun, but somehow you have no ammo or bullet.
Yeah.
It
How?
will be wasteful.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
But
It's useless.
if someone have so many
Ammo.
vocab or ammo, even you don't have that gun, at least you can throw it out.
Nice.
You can throw the bullet. Bro.
Oh, yeah,
That's the
makes
thing.
Yeah.
If I know the accuracy probably will
Zero.
No.
1% maybe.
Not zero, but it's kind of far more superior than the one who use gun, but still, dude, it still can be used for something. That's the thing. That's why.
Hey, Mr. Fani, let's conclude our discussion. A little discussion.
Yes.
Oh, conclude.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yes, of
Sedikit
course.
aja, bukan mengkonklude ya. Artinya we can try to discuss in another.
The other
Alright.
time probably or occasion later.
So maybe because this is actually still in discussion, yeah,
Yeah.
I think, yeah. So I do not want to conclude it.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, so which one is correct, which one is not?
Yeah.
Maybe future.
Yeah.
In the future, there, I mean, with advanced research, there
Of
will
course,
be
of
like, okay, maybe another theory coming up.
Yeah.
Right.
Of
So,
course.
but the thing is, what I can say is, there are two different perspectives to explain how language is acquired by children. So first one is about nature, bawaan gitu. Another one is about nurture.
Nature.
Okay, so mengambil sisi manapun tuh ada yang mendukung gitu.
Yeah, of course.
So, yeah. So
There is
ada
a
teorinya itu. Alright, maybe that's the conclusion.
Okay,
Okay.
that's
For
it for
today's
today, guys.
talking.
That's enough, baby.
Cukup ini ya, cukup
Iya.
homework banget.
Iya, there's so many.
If you want to discuss it more with your friend,
Yeah,
watcher,
it will
the
be good.
viewer,
Bro.
it will be good.
By the way, today discussion is kind of heavy ya.
Of course, it's
kayaknya
Man.
last 3 video tuh kayaknya yang
Easy, simple ya.
santai,
Something fun
tiba-tiba
and-
door gitu.
Really enak loh. But it's good because
Tapi lucu.
there is
Yeah.
a basis theory, man. It's a
Yeah.
basis theory and it's really, really important.
And people
So-
believe in one or two things.
Bye.
Bye.